Are you thinking about switching to AT&T Internet Air? It's AT&T's new wireless home internet option. But how exactly does it work, and is it worth your money? Here's what you need to know. AT&T Internet Air is a fixed wireless service that delivers home internet over AT&T's 5G and LTE network, not traditional cables. It's designed for homes where fiber or DSL aren't available, or for people who want something more flexible. You plug in a gateway, it connects to the 5G network, and you're online. No technician, no phone line, no drilling. As of 2025, AT&T Internet Air costs $55 a month, with no annual contract, no equipment fees, and no data caps. Setup is simple. The modem is shipped to your door, and once plugged in, it self-configures within minutes. There's even a mobile app to help you find the best signal spot in your home. Speed depends heavily on your location and network congestion. Users typically report download speed ranging from 40 to 140 Mbps and upload speeds of around 10 to 25 megabits per second. That's enough for streaming, Zoom calls, and casual gaming, but latency-sensitive tasks like competitive gaming or large uploads can suffer during peak hours. The pros: quick DIY setup, no contracts or fees, and good alternative in fiber deserts. Cons though: speed can fluctuate with network congestion, performance varies by area, not ideal for power users or large households. Feedback on Reddit and review sites is mixed. Some praise the simplicity, others say performance tanks in crowded areas. All in all, AT&T Internet Air is best for light to moderate users who want flexible, no-hassle connection, especially where wired options fall short. If you're in a strong signal zone, it might be just worth it. For more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.